Hey everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just have a simple look for you featuring Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette. Just a simple little quick, felt like some red. So anyways, started out with, after washing my face, got Natasha Denona's Transfer Matte in 20Y Light, yellow undertones. This is just a sample I'm trying of the Natasha Denona, but I'm liking it so far. This is the second one of these that I've tried. So started off with that, and then set it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. It's a nice powder, you just have to be careful not to get too much. I used the Real Techniques Kabuki that was out last Christmas in a set. I really like it. It's just a giant kabuki and can really get your whole face quickly. So with that, for blush, I'm using some Urban Decay's Score. Really pretty. Mine's broken, so I'm trying to be careful. It's like a pinky with a peach glitter in it. Doesn't really show up the glitter too much, but really nice color from Urban Decay. Highly pigmented. You gotta have to go easy. I've got a bit of clown face today, but I like it. That's okay. For highlighter, I have Becca. This was a orange that came out. This is Dreamsicle. It came out around Christmas. And really pretty orangey apricot highlighter from Becca, and it was just out for a minute and then it was gone. I'm so glad I got one. I love this, so I have that for my highlight today. Okay, on the eyes I used again the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. Really beautiful quality shadows, so if you don't have that, be sure to get it. What I like about this palette, besides all the different shades of reds, pinks, purples, again with all the peach and transitional matte colors that you'll need, and a frosty white, it's just a good solid palette. It just has everything you need, and it has a lot of mattes, and I'm 55, so mattes are my favorite. I started off using this palette with Tongue Pop all over the lid, and then I used Root Canal in the crease, and then the pink cavity on the lid, and then I used Candy Floss as an inner eye highlight, and Glucose, the matte white, as a brow bone highlight. So really pretty. Let me get you a close-up. Really love this palette. Now I did add an AMC Inglot AMC Pure Pigment in the center for some sparkle, using the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive. This is very watery, and it's just a really good glitter glue. Just need a little bit, and so I put a little bit of that in the center of my lid. And this color, AMC Inglot Pure Pigment number 86. And you can get this online or at the Inglot store in Las Vegas. That's where I get mine. But I don't know if you can see this. That is a glitter pot. So loose glitter, it'll get everywhere for sure. So be careful when you're using that. But it's like a goldy, that is just gorgeous right there. And I've got that in the center of the lid. So beautiful. Again, let me try to get a close up. Okay, I didn't do any, well I did, I used a, my Wayne Goss push liner brush, that stiff brush, and put that in Coma, just a tiny little bit, and then I use that as a liner on top and below. So this is a great little brush for a push liner. That's a Wayne Goss. And then when I did my my all over, another Wayne Goss brush. And then my crease and lid, I used another Wayne Goss brush. On my brows, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. I like these okay, Brow Wiz. They're not my favorite. I think they get kind of hard and crumbly. I prefer using Tarte's or Bang & Brunette, the ColourPop the brow pomade. But I was using my pencil today. But it breaks, it crumbles. I'm not crazy about it. Mascara, I use the Physicians Formula Organic. I just got this on a whim because Toddy had recommended it, and I won't be purchasing it again. It's okay, but it just doesn't feel like there's anything in the tube. It feels empty right when you get it. I've only used it maybe 5 or 6 times, and it just doesn't seem like there's any product in that, but Better Than Sex is my favorite, but I got this to try because Toddy mentioned it. On my nails, I have 2 coats of Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Clear, my old staple I've been using since I was a kid. I use this for a top coat, a base coat, and a touch-up coat. And for my polish, I have OPI. Let's see which one this one is. Rosy Future. So that's Rosy Future from OPI. It's a real nice pale pink with a kind of a little blue duochrome a little bit. That's real pretty. On my lips today, going with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Calabasas. Goes perfectly with the Blue Blood palette. I got a set of these Christmas when Beautylish was having a sale. It was a box set of 8 of his Velour liquid lipsticks, and I really like them. It goes great with the palette. So anyways, yeah, that's it for today. Hope you're having a good one. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you next time. Okay, bye.